System errors causing the Qt5QuickTest.dll crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair.
I've linked the primary utility for Qt5QuickTest in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Qt5QuickTest, the Qt5QuickTest library. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for unit testing QML applications, facilitating the diagnostic data link for the localized UI manifest.
Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation.
This issue indicates a problem within the Qt Framework installation. Reinstall the latest version of Qt Framework from the official site to restore Qt5QuickTest.dll safely.
In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state.
If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Qt5QuickTest file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later.
If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems.
Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Qt5QuickTest.dll that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files.
To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references.
If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Qt5QuickTest dependencies. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Qt5QuickTest. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.